I come from. The truth is an irony, just like animal farm. Justice mean inequity. So who go say the truth? Who go say the truth? Christian can say silence. Islamic leaders silence. Kings and queens silence. Traditional leaders silence. So who go say the truth? We are them go can so confuse the call. Now by area why no better. We are them go can so confuse the call. One guy's yeah why no better. Who go say the truth? Who go say the truth? Oh, he need it now, see what's I see so. Now your friend on a nine come asem. Only papi obeka na sembia. So I want one obet you too. Everybody was afraid. And until Nanan to my cottage again nine. Once my boy dumping one and but who go tell the truth? Nanai or say me. Nanso bien person beka wasam because everybody is afraid. Anya safwe muayini. Akuku trofo nyina dalima. Enti who go say the truth? Obiaja konson so to grow Germansa to me be a cacobrafo. Efo anyina ye. Efo when you know yet. Na so kutrata down na so be dia back or why no keke. I fene for be man mo pia for efo ne cross on my mo. Hanya safwe mo ayini. Akuku trofo nyina dalima. Enti who go say the truth? Abaya di bote chino. Yedi bi bebo nyande bi. Kachisa would your mouth pipinuma. Would your mind never shine and frafonsa? But who go tell the truth? TUC silence. Even journalists silence. So then who go say the truth? Right is right. Wrong is wrong, no matter how you justify. You say you wanna get rid of corruption. Someone want to help you, now the person become your target. Jobless no they mean senseless. Poverty no they mean useless. One day them go resist.
Champion for Bami Hunyan be a metuma baman, Adentia, and I may kasa say. A mine no friends of 4 years be a no bed die. Ye be mamuscus, a dying, new money at the other. They hear pa, Mabruni here pa, Numa, and so mobile moda, Mabruna Mova Momo. Now Sabi Sanga Ghana, Nibe Biat Same Quadra, and Kamomo boxing and Kamaji, Akunyano, because Kamen go beyond Mizua Metuaba. Because be anya kwasi na waka cha me say gina ha twa me na me ba me gina asa amade asa na o mai meaning ubu me say me yefu so me nkaya me nko ade a kagana ni bia nto aba because obi anu odwen ye ho jaliji yenwuma gu ho over 20 something years and anu no wawu agya yen ya hu mfaso bia kofo ma ya sala so be ma yenwuma ya hu hwe MPP ni andisi dia bullshit ohini bia anyi ni kuro ahemfu no mo Ghana ano bia nyi ni kuro no onye na nkane na ne ye di ahemfu di aso no na kuro we na etumpon na blo fu no kuro asuro yen na se bin play dia se jimio se baburo fu no se kolan fu no ye nim dia mo pa kire mama o man na tia gija na mabunu ne ble enti mabunu na omo bokro no na mumu omugum no mo esan somo eya bre because nka wasan ka mo na mo hwe nkola no ana mo hwe nkola na man nkola nze so ma ye nkwasiafo enti sankwasiafo nkola ne da ne nkwasiafo na ese wo pani a otifie so ye kwasia bi because de odi akire osua de odi kan nante te me de manu kasa besia Ghana mpanimfo ndi omu nyina seven players obi anwunu mabunu no te mo mabunu mo mani na ho na mpanimfo no sebe omu ye nkwasiafo omu
It is a country. Name of course woman with the SMP. And they are fought. It started from the 90s and here Bonnie Yana Mount fun of your monkeys. And what a song it is a country. The lawmakers tend to not regret the people that for protect us, they work against us. Police they connect with the armed robbers, they work together, then they kill all the innocent souls. What a song it is a country. You own Rastamana, you're going to say junkie. Moving at the course when you will be forgetting about the men in suits, the MPs. And what a song it is a country. What the innocents end up in prisons. Them they jail the poor for shaking reasons. They will not get money to pay for lawyers' bribery. And what a song it is a country. Social media they made the people they live fake life. Slave queen they slay hard for fake hype. People they build them as king, that's a lifestyle. What a song it is a country. Pastors tend churches to trace center. They give fake prophecies to make business. Maybe sooner you fake mala better testers. In Shrimana Bano, what do they teach us? Politicians tend to politics test. They play games for the people's intelligence. Then they confuse us with big sentences. What a song it is a country.
Abuja, Imakwaba Adeba Highland at TV so Medasi Sawaji Bressa when me bedi juma. Moson for Debia Bribia Monemiti Jumano air of fire. And a friend so channel I also a Helen at TV and waba na watch a video no amame. Madam was it, baby ara will be a mechacha munina, but waba no comment na waja baby arame na metima acknowledge munina. Ntabusha for more CC and more intentive. Abusha see I know cause the condition in Ghana now is not stable. Your lighting system is having stable. It mama money tell me nim time on doom light. Doom light and I'm a program the mean to me we have cut it. Doom so is still in Ghana. Don't be deceived. And I don't know time light in the back of it. Mamma and intentum the time Sabaya, a bit my F. And that's why no videos Chiramopa and then no videos Chiramopa and share video no invite friends, not tag friends. What I say because but pay just see our and Yankofa Wimra, yes, I don't cry if I wish to see her.
That's right. And I've been so. Can you shrink? Who are because I 24/7. Can you see so? Hey, if you must show my pa and your tifo manner and some quankwa. Look at this. Over 700 million people still they have light. The legends. You shall allow some governor a soon say shabam. Ready? A soon pras. General Mosquito Prasa Huru. Yadum light. No Huru do. Nan tontum yo. Yasu. Shenipani wo kromo. Jinipo. Missy. So we train ye wonsam yemu. So ma ejana anya solidifier. Then yes you go there and survive. Because the new more power must survive. We send them the window. Look at this. Kumo Chabam. Legend. That's right. Richly. Adi. Jeff. Public toilet. NC baby. Awachi biansi katao. Koko biansi. Bidieke bianama. Enchinika nama. Already. Just unya sound mind. Invention ideas. Obia jenifie an apartment. Already. Anybody already? Jinipo. Listen. Hey. Just a bobo yaya and I just obey the goose. No. Crown crop first obey the obey. Look at this. Lord. Ready here. You foot tropa. Now when your baby are quatra, Sabia all fadging. Sabia all planning. Yes. The chama will grant cheering.
Twitter eniema Ghana for bonsam jamino se wo ho a Nyankopon ommia janim tie bonsam jamino se e wo ho a eja no monfanto level infinity mummiam because eniema yankase ye namu wa ase ya survive no a ye survive no ha bonsam jam ko ne light bi a ha e ba ho e bedum ja no because we are already living legends. We are even closer to deadly legends. Me da se waje bre so de me be di adwuma wiei share video na mame na ebe page sisi ya share video na mame me remfi mebo mu nyina mudin me acknowledge mu amo ha nyina because me ne mu na di dwuma no and I cherish you people and I appreciate you more e wo support amode ata mechi wo bri tie me ba yim eni me dwuma di amo som na me compile ba me remfi mu ntino share video na mame share video na mame share video na mame abusia mame Eben Kwame wa say director mawuso wa thank you very much Eben Kwame CSF soldier CSF militant mawuso wa mawuso Emmanuel Mensah so wa Mr. Ima thank you very much for being here with me Emmanuel Mensah mawuso wa medasese wa join me Solomon Kwame director medasese wa join me Mr. Solomon King Solomon medase Akokwa so wa Akokwa, thank you very much for joining me this afternoon. Me da sese wa join me na ni me be di. Me fa cho mo share video na mo share video na mama. Ofori Miki so wa say Ofori Miki the Jupiter Eye Man originally Pito generator. Me da se champion. Na say dum so nti no. Ayi say wunya Pito ni bi mia. Ansa na watimi ada. Say the be tontom ka okura na remove. Nti no. Mama ha de adu justice so wa nana tukwe asare bosomfo nana medase se wa join me na me sa wo nana hoze nso wa ha nana hoze nso medase se wa join pato wa join ya no wa type udin na wa type ba bia wo hwe me firi na matimi acknowledge mo share video no Macadams also CSF Ashanti offer you in the building. Chairman, I'm in the building and you are also a living legend. Share the video. Bro. Thank you very much. Mr. Prince Charles, Director, respect. Me da se papa se wo ta machi. Wo fa se me da se wa so me mu na wo ta machi. E wa bring akon se nyina so. That is a special advisor to Abraham Bemoshe, CSF in the USC. What I say Ohio. Madam nyina se na macham Kofi Safo ha. Hana ya nso ha say Mr. Mama Hana ya. Me da se wa join me. Kofi Safo bi tell Ben Dave. Ben Dave, thank you very much for joining me. Me da se sabu nyina maka me ho ha say ene da me shada nche ye light nye stable dum so ntino mo me monitor na ye mbo just see how was say wa mama me da se wa join me. Thank you very much for your time and for your support all the time and for your caring as well. Me da se mama me da se pa GH Amenyon so join me ha GH Amenyon, thank you very much. Starboy join me ha Christian Busa join me Francis Akumenyi join me Lucado Gideon join me and afi ma unse Jemfu Afọjọ say greetings from Holland. Ma unse wa join me medase squad ne dos mo dem mama ni ji o medase o me ko ne tentem ne nye ne tentem. Franco Silas also Denmark is here to medase. Prince Anand abuja medase se wa join me wie unya share video no na invite friends na ka che ne say fire from downtown I started me pa mo fire from above and I see oba live ache oho ne ho ye ne ho na dodo no kakra but enche obeba why on say won awono on say fire from above ya okọ out no na mabontin awon so wom ntino nipadua no so na enye ne de pe control eno ankasa na oho state conditional de no bekom na okay man na no stay montino ne ho dodo no kakra but obeba very soon me da say what join me we a fire from downtown we nya fire from above we a fire from downtown it unya nhye ya hye channel no eye 3 Oko Instagram offer CSF_Ashanti. Follow mame. Ana oko YouTube so Hell on Earth TV. Hell on Earth the boom type boom. TV independent no Hell on Earth TV. Na subscribe. Na click on the bell. Say the bell me the video be atuma on Sabekan. Obo YouTube so there aka Living Legend e be fa Hell on Earth channel. Abusia. Ana na nsa na Ghana nya mfie sei. Adusia 964. Se sa na tie dia. Nipa wanyini free kollabre ma du fie aduasia 9 de sa nipa no efre obi se anaso mese nyamfie aduasia 9 a ya ehwe nipa ne bobre ehwe nipa na setena ehwe nipa no at least na life ma brabo wo mu no achievement a wa achieve yima nso ajoin me elom ajoin me oba pa gift ajoin me prince anana ajoin me me pacho mo share video na mame o ma we anyamfie aduasia 9 na me be kire ubibi the current caption na caption no the current situation in a country that is 64 years. I don't have any option than to show you the current situation in this country. And you don't go anywhere. Me ma make sakura nwa. Ye be ko video bi ni aba. Me wo na minya ntie. Minya report to be say ekuro bi e wo Ghana ha. Enkola e wo sa kuro nim. Etwa kwan close to 3 miles ansana omako the next town. Enokra village and town. But the main kind of town. Ansana omako the next town. Akwako enya access to school. Ansana omako school. 21st century ye wo man mu enkola nante enye se omo de cow and enye se bi omo ti bicycle so enkola nante from over 3 miles ansa na omo akoto school akotena school nim asuade intimate na me se no se empenifo media house akese no kofa mbade a ene me ofa ya mekofa ba say maka chem say 2021 yo abusia unya be kan support no abe kan na be support of fire because baby ye be wura ene niam ye be ya kire ye mbe hyew ye ba na wo yo hene na wukuru mu wa ye niam papa ye beka ye ba na wo twagimi so ye beka nti ye no ye ready say ye nkwa akora ye beto so enam de ye wo say ekoso o mani ma enya ye pese ye ka che nipa nti eja menkoa ese bako fo nsa enso nyame ani kata me gi chamenyo me nua bako a waka me wo say obeboa ma dwumadi akonkan na ema me ha wasisi na da Roma oboa ye say ja ofa say report bi say na won kan dia ene ko first the situation going on e wo ho bra na ye hwe na ye hu de betimi ayafa ho ne empompanifo wo man nim enhu de ekoso enti ye ko ho abusia ekuro me na me mpe kasa tintin o ye se ka ku ye gine kwakuo num abusia ye ko kuro nim no ekwan no wa ye ntimi video kwan no free tentre ko si krenkren enti ye bo modern asa at least ye be mo hu kwan no kwakra enti ye timi record kwan ne kakra na abusia moma ye hwe kwan no ekwan na ye dikodu kuro nim no moma ye hwe kwan no mra moma ye hwe kwan no ekwan na ye dikodu kuro mu no ye de to so kenken say no ye be kwakudu kuro mu no matter the situation how it is enti ye fa so say ye be kokuro mu ho no abusia ekwan a edi kokuro nim na ye twa kire wo no ekwan a edi kokuro nim no na wani guso a wo hwe kwan no ekwan a elidi etu ekuro ne efre no so pata so ekwan a elidi etu kuro nim na wani tue wa wo hwe ekwan we esuku nkwala etwa kwan we na omudi akusku na omudi abafie. That is the nature of this 64-year-old country. The nature of 64 years old country. Ekwan a wani tia wo hwe enye kwan ketwa sa o na ye ntimi video ni nyina enye say memory card nyina kura ba ma nti video copy baby na video copy baby ye pese wo hu the nature of the road na me wi a me kire mema wo hu the situation na wo krom woni enkwala me kwa de enkwala no kura ya wo nti na mama di mirika kodu krom ho no enkwala ne yaw ene enkwala atete ya enkwala ne namu ana mama di mirika ekodu krom wo se debi asam we de anye se hell on earth ye be fa ebebiebie so akire nipa ma nipa tensem yase ekwan na eda ho sa no opani umfri ekuro no medu school ni mu no na watwe mfuturo ekobe esam boto mienu living legend anopa bia nkwala atwa kwan we ansa na medu school makwa kosua de ewu anopa bia enkwala atwa kwan we ekwan na eda ho na wo hwede sa no ye ni bus se aban a provide bus se bus si kwan ne so emfa nkwala no enkodu school na nkwala ne sua de wi a ede o ma ba fie ye ni bus bi sa enti nkwala ne nante ekwan na eda ho na wo hwe no na ma ba be du school aba be sua de enti mpese wo hwe kwan ne kakra wo hwe kwan ne kakra na ye kodu kro no so a ebe mo hu de ekoso on me meka no kra na kire wo se wo mpe no kra ne de a ene na wo beifo me meka no kra na kire wo truth is truth even if nobody accept it abusuya odoma kuma ndi ya bro ekuro na ye komu no wo hwe environment na pa che o mo UK mo US mo Germany uhu edua ahaban green gusu say party uhu da ben uhu edua environment a mbia wo no nyina ahaban gusu eye green no uhu bi sa no etise ete da ben uhu bi sa nche ye Ghana ha ye won hwe timber any only all kinds of I mean good vegetation ye wo ewo country we or man we enso ni nyina chi empanifo se da ye ni hwe aye se still kwasi bruni sa behwe ekwan ne ye kohwe ye no abusia ekwan ne wa yɛntimi video from Krenkren to Krankran nti a video kakra. Now me ma make sangwa because ahana sisi a mete no system light na me wo mu a me de eye adwuma no eye time light sisi e betima ma light up say kuro ya ma light of adwuma die no aka awie peyo enti me pese adwuma die ni wie peyo enti me ye ntentiam se be ya mo betimi ahwe video ni nyina because videos no doso videos no edoso.
That's right. Anadwunso kania yishiri nti wo abeka sa ade achi 24/7 kania siso ebi ma shishi omo mai pa ani ati for man and some kwankwa. Look at this. Over 700 million people still they have light. The legends. You shall allow Sunkwafwano Esunfe Shabam Rade Esun Pras General Mosquito Pras Uhuru Yadum light Na Uhuru do Nan Tontum yo Yesu Shenipa ni Okromo Jinipo Missy so we train ye bonsam de mo so wa ma ejana anya solid fire can yes go there and survive because near more from more power must survive no we send them the winner. Look at this soon feel kumo chaba legend
the living legend abusia yekodu ukronim na yankohwe sa ukronim video no yankohwe yanto adwumade no so. Thank you. But you want to share video no man. Why? Thank you for supporting Ofaya and for making us number one. Yanko video number.
Abusia we makwaba at the Highland TV so mosom for Ofaya ni said that brain bibia edi djuma no meda wase se wajebre se woni me bedi djuma eye ene awie anope enwumre baby biara wo me ne bibia hwe me bia me do aba so pataso eye kro ba ko a ewo asantemam ha meka se ewo Asante Achim municipal duase ofiri duase a onduru praso obe branch afa wonsa benkum so se wo kɔ praso obe branch afa wonsa benkum so ekrowe kura eda duase nchemu sa na busua de ama ba beduru ha me pese me twe adwene si bibi so ma edi hu komo kakra ne se manya report bi na me ankasa so me de mani aba behu the situation in this town and I say how any atete a sabi menka say emofra ewo ekrowe mu efam na arehosem chese areho chese ekwan a edeba krowe mu free duase edeba sopata so krowe mu almost 3 miles na busha 3 miles no enye se yagusu kota akra na twene jonas bese kwasi broni nyim de ni nyansa wa yenkonya si abonten na nte kakra na obra na ope baabi atena da bi o 3 miles no kota akra bi ni so ana yeni nkonya bia so si baabi a enti enkwala no sori free klowem na madware asiesie mu me no ka se suku ni kronim suku na wo kronim no I think say so mo se CP3 se P4 enti omo nante free ha na omatoa so akọ the next town a ye duase no makonya school anase no mako school bebre betema ka se almost 80% of the children of the youth in the school no ekwan omu chance no mako school nie entabusia me no de ntia hu hia se bedi hu komo no se oman ayatim a ye Ghana man he bebe wiase anyina du hwe nkan ko ne bebe wiase empempen so bebe wiase abo ne bredu me ka se 21st century mu na obenya situation bi ti se enkwala sori etwa kwan 3 months enam form ansa no mako school na wankasa kra wo ne make say wonante aha ne kwansin ba mienu miensa wankasa auto video mu sen eno na be hia se ye wo mainstream media wo man mu so omo fa nsam bi se embre no eno ti na Helen TV ene mo som for fire afato ye ho so se ye bebo moden ne akọ atifi ne atoye anafo ne apue ne akọfa de ekoso wo man we mu a wo se bia bibia nko so se wo se bibia ye okay no de so ma we mu a adwene odi adwene to ho kra make sense no e be kwa kofa bro nti mo a wo be ya boa ya ne se wo be boa na wa subscribe na wa follow na wa share video no ama obia ate de ekoso ana dwumadi e pese ma amansan ho ne de pese Ghana fo hu abusua ekro no na da ho no ekro a populated of menka se nipa almost anka kra be se nipa ekobe 1000 nipa ekobe apem na okuro mu ekro kuma bi sa but nipa wumpa na enkwala no ebe hia education said the bribe ka say education is the key our future generation enti aban eye aban a omo ne de tumi ahye omo nsa omo ne de oman na sase na oman na japade na oman ne bibia ama omo se omo mfanye ntotoye enye hyehyeye na yentete mmabunu na generation coming no ema omo embefa mantle no dabi obusia uba oman we mu a ubehu political party flags uba kro we mu a ubehu political party flags uba kro we mu ubehu political party signboards na so uba kro we mu a good schools infrastructure good road system good sanitation system efi bola de ende eki obusia me no wo kasai enkwala ni bia pon school a omonam kwan no so a omoba kakra yeni bi bedi nkomo amwo ama omaka how ni problem omonam akyerew. This is a town in Ghana. And yes, in Ghana, I'm not out of Ghana. I'm in Ghana. Mean two country Ghana. Living legend country. Oh my own dia, oh my the pancho. Oh my the pancho. So oh my own the Canadian as best here. A form has said, dear cost for having a person me chat my own dear cost for downtown. She form she crew. The people over here vote. Omo tuaba. Omo yimpeni for se beya. Omo beya shaya momo. Aha, me no ka say. Rock etwa ha hia ekuro we aboten na ye papai e de yakwan no etwa kuro no ho hia uye no so a timber etwa kuro no ho hia timber etwa kuro no ho hia abusia bi broni eye ne kwan e ma ne ye kama umfane san kana botan umfane san kana timber wo yankonya gu abonten e ma nipa tena so emmo nyina na mabonten emmo nyina na mfiri na kwan kwan papa so aboten na omode yakwan no de omofa firi ase enua na omode yankonya de sisi adan no omomfa omonsanka omudua ubekọ amano ne Germany far from above Roma ene twene na sada Roma ubekọ US ne Germany edua bia behu bia na haban agu but me no wugina ha enua atwa me ho hia wo anyina flourishing green leaf meaning we have everything it takes. Me no ka say afumfo afi na binum akọ afuma omonso eba. That is the nature in this town. Enua atwa ho hia abepo atwa ho hia. Why should we lack better roads? Why should we lack chairs? Why should we lack better furnitures? Etika me ba ye na nka kuro yimu ya gu kwan ana konya kura si kwan chen baabi a nka nipa beti manya baabi a yeden atena adwodwo ne ho enso esanse enti no ade se utwe mfuturo ni bi ko mu a 24/7 emfuturo ida se opewu enti nose mask na aba na ye hye na buja mesrew ya na wa hye nose mask no because downtown ha say emfuturo free Wokasa wonhye nose mask na enye covid ne beku emfuturo kra ne beku broni nim se emfuturo ku nipa abusu aka eba living legend country ka eba ntino mama nyina yie na ka no emese aha no ye ne ka ase ne nyina eche kwan baako aha no ye ne ka ase ne nyina eche kwan baako etika na eba na matwe me ho na waba besen na mama ben na mama mefuturo na matwe bia gu mu fine. That is the country we are living in. That is the system we are living in. Look at the drainage system. We was saying munya good gutter a better ha at least in Soto a better ama a kwano aye okay. This is the road they have, but a kwanangaza they have nangasa kwanangaza so kran okay. A kwanangaza ain't okay. This is very sad. Na mom Helen etada romantino ibebie niama so amohu de ekoso wo yama yimu jebra na ne yentena share video no manko akire me do befa kwan no so yebehia mofra ne bi na ebedi nkomo akwani mu me da sese wajebre se woni me bedi djuma. Thank you very much for making us number one. Share the video for me. Me da se abusia me makwa baba Helen TV so mosomfo ofaya nie me da wase se wajebre se woni me bedi djuma but waba na wa share program no besre se Helen ye channel no eye 2 Facebook Helen TV and oko YouTube nso Helen TV. Now unfortunately recently I face some challenges via Facebook. I don't know, say a report to say a one you blocking so I too much intimacy say mostly no say no yedwumadie no ni nyina be kwa kodi YouTube intimacy wa say wonya mbeka Helen abusuan ho wonya mbeka Helen family members na YouTube no ho a bra be kan sisia be subscribe na be kan Helen TV abusua no ho o subscribe a abdoma bi won nchen ho a modern na mi adoma no so se be ya bibia ye de video bi tumpe ewura supporter so ekofa video bi ba ye de tuma on sabeka ewura ya metwa ekofa video bi ba ye de tuma on sabeka ewura sankole ekofa video bi ba ye de tuma on sabeka modern subscribe na bra be kan Helen family no ho meda wase se wajebre na wona me ebedi djuma ekura me do ba so ekuru bi ewo Asantema ewo Ghana haya the situation and the condition the youth are going through no enya bete me kire wo kwan a nkwala ne twa yemfutu kwan yengu sukura abusha abawara wo se kota ana boba no ebo na akwari na nkasa bo na ye papa de ye kwan no esum kwan no ho esumpom ha bebre yento dabi yento even kota na nkasa kura no Ghana o man Ghana nyame ndi abro ise yenso etu oye ne bi oye no mutu oye no mo refund kura na the last I mean element and I said the last at the end I see no kura na kota no it didn't na wosanka ye lack a kwan problem and so a kwan ni bi na me chire mo ene a kwan kwala chance no maba the next village and the next town about the school abusha omuba school a baby omuba betena suade no ebi na me be ya kire wo ama wankasa wodi wani ayeden ahade twini Jonas bese twefom live coverage from hell on earth me no ka say ohwe me nchen a ye hye dwumadi na se no na ensuo etoto na ensuo no egu kakra nti meka se ensuo apete kakra eno kra ebeboa ya manfutuo no so ate eno ye odoma nkoma ono a ne boto ne yema no apete ensuo bi ama na amanfutuo no so ayeden ate na seja ya fa ne sa ja benden enti me no wo kasa na no bo sinsuo bi tata from tata around school environment na wani tu a wo hwe no na nkwala na etwa kwan 3 miles omutwa kwan 3 miles na omoba school ebesuade look at the environment, look at the serene environment no hwe environment abusha hwe classrooms no classroom no na ewo ho na wani tua no hwe desk na nkwala na tena so esuade no hwe the situation in the classroom enso na etoye no akwakota classroom ho nemom their best advantage and I said their boa omu ye pa ne se ene Friday na ochina Saturday Sunday Monday nso holiday na omu mba school insa ka ochina omu ba school that is the yard swimming pool correct one and desk ni sisi mu no etwagu wo ho no no wo hwe classrooms na hwe classrooms no condition no ye ni gate kura da no ye ni owari nyankopon ye ni lighting system kura wo enti se mebisa nkwala ne se mo ICT o mo se ICT mo wo computer mo hu mouse ne keyboard ne ade da o mo se da bi o mo mouse no na ebodan no ho no na keyboard no so na ebodan no ho no enti akwala no obehu mouse a eno na ewo ho no obehu keyboard nso a eno nso na ewo ho ebisa na hwe school no environment no ye ka se school ba bia nkwala emfirifie embra embetena embesua ade ye ka se school a enye classroom tena nko a even upie free classroom na the environment, the serene environment, the area no surrounding no was no so crano. It should be some sort of education. I was saying also educate akwala no in a way. And mostly no obahwe abrofo omusuku compound, omusuku environment no mostly no obahwe no akwala no enema e dey twa school mu ho krashia, enema e dey twa school no environment no ho hia no opie free classroom say okọ break kura na eno so say bibi fofra okọ akosua. Abusha me no ka say free classroom no. Enie living legend yenie o ma undi dia o ma de nchu yenie abebi be wu aneso yenie sunkwa yenie ebefa nyame beye munye di ntwan ope so ma nye yo ma de pancho munya de mbedi ne de mbehye na mo ma no mpenso mo yenie. This is our state, this is our current seat. To the better mecho yo wo man, we are in a country 21st century country, a country making 6 match ya Ghana benya me fan say 65 for say 67 years. I stand to be corrected, maybe I might be wrong. It is 60 something years heading to the 70th years. If a country is 70 years on this earth after independence, that's still classroom, environment no abonte chiremo timber esisia abu bebre forest ne da no timber na bu bebre ento the state in the enso na to esisia no and talk for 1 hour 30 minutes you could make maka say bia anto nduru ento classrooms no na aba betata ho no hwe desk na hwe desk ankwala na trans ntu nkwala ba du na ensia no mte at desk back so nti teacher ni kula obetena se kula kire nkwala na de no ni table ni ha teacher ni table anka se o rade nyankopon Shafom classroom. Shafom. Shafom. Enya hankwa block ni nyina mekọ ni nyina obehu classrooms ni nyina abusha ye need light say ye bekire nkwala ICT ye project bibia to dan ho ayabasa ile mayabasa abusha me pie free classroom nim hwe environment no hwe form ntia no naje me doje na me pe baby bantam abusha living legend country school na enkwala no etwa kwan 3 miles no maba school no abusha school no na me ya kire wo no school no hwe form hwe school no form hwe classrooms in so to just 30 minutes ayida for bibini classroom in so to 30 minutes ayiri afa bibini classroom in Africa no yesuku sem no yesuku system no nipa besua de awie kọ na emmo nso aba bedidi omo nso agoro wom abusha we obi basie ye ade a kire wo se ntro we nya de tin ana we nya we Alabama beach ana se kokoro bite beach se we no se Alabama beach o say kokuro bite beach o beach ni de wa manone ho no bi ye den amobbo mame Ghana California beach o say Los Angeles beach o sorry amobbo mame enti we no classroom no enti desk na esen eko eno esa enan enum ensia desk ni ensia na wo classroom ha ebien eko ba kokro meka no fante say eko bien asa fante form trust my living legends it form na nkwala tena sesua de na wo wi abeka chem say nkwala we future leaders dabio be fair be sincere to yourself nkwala tena ha say ko school wi a na abeka chem say mo future leaders future day me nya sasam ne ka nkwala ko school ha omunye future leaders omunye future civil servants omunye we school no ma akọ teacher training no ma kwako ebebre kura akọhwehwe adwuma ne ade intimi nto aso biem because one kasa o foundation ni nkasa ni enti ugina bia wo hefa edan yesi a foundation ni make sure say e strong na abode amadan na timagina yi foundation na swimming pool dem no classroom na kwala na tinasua ade ni no nse environment ni na classroom ni a edan ni e kire we munya future leaders we munya future civil servant why na memblemu no meblemu me ho a enye yi meblemu wa hwe me ya enye yi that is why I mentimi fa me pe enye ni yi na wo so ntimi fa wo pe enye ni yi enti na yayi empanimfo se oman we ye wo ajapade ahodo bebre ye ntimi fa ye pe emfa ajapade no enyusu no anyhow enti mundi enim na munya nhyehyeye na ye nya school dan papa ntenam enya nkonya papa ntena so enya health system papa enya facility abusha tenase fili twene na se kan what's it na free classroom no ebi na maba no ebi na metim no swimming pool da machi se tea se coffee se milo ebi na wo machi no ye wo mpanifo a ye hyehyeye ye yi mo se mundi anim na pani ben pa ne course pani ben pa na betena class asuade pani ben ba ampanifo no wo mo ball asokora enya ha nipa tena ha esuade nkwala tena ha esuade. This is a country we live in. Hell on Earth TV aka kire mo say your channel no enti ne fa no Hell on Earth. Ghana is more than hell on earth. Me fa wonsi ye to aso na ye twitwa de ho akire na abusha me nko adwuma de we no che beye na me nko a me kasa me nko a metima adidwuma ya ma na wi a enye peyo me hia wo mwa na me hia wo support kire se wo hwe adwuma de a me di ene ma homa me twene ade a abusha support ba kwa mesere se mo beboa amamanya connected microphone I can say etimi connect say bluetooth to say wi-fi say wireless say be a wireless microphone ametimi edi djuma no because me kono hwe bebe megina hwe the condition I mean but I was say me sa tam mahoma no edi akiri ntimi wi ana ma pensu na ma horo ahoma no. This is the country we are living in. Everything they mess up reform Twini Jonas data form na da ho no Ghana no baabi ankwala tena suade no abusua me ka kire nkwala ne se me bisa nkwala ne se mu ko school mo ya ICT omo se ya ICT ana me se mo na mo computer ne mo mouse ne mo computing system te say omo se a computer ne ade de ni bi dem mo be du school no na mahu sa omo computer ni omo mouse ni omo keyboard ni omo system unit ni monitor ni si wono computer na yakaza computer minim we no nko anya computer so ya label na we nko anya computer we keyboard we system unit we mouse. That is the system we are living in downtown here. We no instead of so betro monitor na kwala na we say we ni TV no I monitor no ya choro computer go we so and ya choro mouse and living legend country. Obviously we classroom na ni ma swimming pool ni there say ebi da ho en nteja wo fi na wa ro de wa kokuro bite beach o say labadi beach o no ababe enjoy na eja wonso abegin frama nti classroom block no na uhu no nkonya na sisi classrooms no eno so na ene ade a uhu no de ekoso ewo oman wi baabi ankwala tena suade baabi ya build the future leaders no na woni tu a wo hwe no Mama men come anim kakra baby ya build the future leaders no na wani tu a wo hwe no nti me kan bibi say aha no say ye pon suku a emo no so ba parade nti say obehwe a say ha no minim say dining hall say assembly hall say din nti wo hwe a na ponche no so aba mu no omo so na nsuo ne to no omo ni baby afa nti ayi so omo bete nsuo the goat are our friends. Twini Jonas ne kan say the best are our friends. Yen so ba downtown the goat are our friends. Enti goat no nsuo to no omo ni baby afanti classroom na nkwala na betena sesua de no omo so aba beta nsuo. Na aha no ohwa minim say dining hall say assembly hall say I don't know. Nso han kwala tena suade hwe baabi ankwala tena suade abusua hwe baabi ankwala etena suade 21st century ye wo man mu ampanifo wom pani baako eje me na hono no pani baako etena wo man wiem etena parliament eserve oman wi minim se yi omo se omo na embe serve oman no ana oman na embe serve omo de I don't know pani baako as one MP bet na parliament for 4 years na waje S gracia 6 billion hebe ankwala ku school ankwala ko nyom tena sesua de ni hwe classroom san ankwala tisua de dan ni nyina na awiewuo no. This is the country we are living in. Enu twa hom free on so a oba classroom na nkasa so a ye wo pool e wo classrooms nim pool no minim se ankwala ni dwale o e na omo num o I don't know musom for fire mafato me ho so se mewura se yamukura mewura mama mo hunde ekoso wo man nim enti channel no hell on earth enye heaven on earth da odoma nkoma be ya adom na mefro anomana na taban kakaka na mofre no adu pray no bi na meduru heaven on earth no meduru ho a mama hu se maba be duru heaven na mo be me gina sisi ankasa gina sisi ya ide me nsuro bu nsam ja bia because me ni futuro ne nam me ni ntontom ne nam me ye living legend hwe bia me ko school me living legend be mo ko school the classrooms na kwalate na ha se ni suade na kwalate na se ni suade owia nti ni tiri mu nya den wa aban no ho nti owie na ma no 77 adwuma nti wo mo aban no kro no na hu kosam me da sese waje bre se woni me bedi dwuma busha e ka se ye toaso a ye betimi aka ye nwie da na mum esanse dwumadie no ye system ayewu mu no e wo se ye ne bra no se be ya wo so betimi ate de pese e kira senti no ene de no man fancy ha ye besan so atoaso media no fire o pese o sponsor dwumadie a o betimi sponsor o pese o support ye so a o betimi support ye media no fire channel no Hell on Earth TV. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because from now onwards most of our videos you be to YouTube say be Facebook blocking or more interaction and affect you dwumadie no. Madam Moses Samojebre, thank you very much. Madam nyina se makram pia
abusia video no ne yakwa kohwa aba no video no ane yakwa kohwa aba no na me rapo na de bia meka na de bia so masa akoso aka se odoma nkoma ene emiwu a mo mama ntia asase so biem se reincarnation bi o mama makura biem na se me ba biem dia ene enye downtown ha mesere na pa obo ne didi kwa so twede po basa yadom mesere wo enye downtown ha na de me ba ha bi ma ha me di me ho awu abusua enkwala twa kwan na after kwan na o matwa no baby o ma betena asua ade na ukwohwe ye no oman we oman Ghana ye wumi the chance of say Ghana be ye to say Rwanda 0.00000.0.01%. Make up be say asem so. The me say the chance say or mine we enema Ghana bit my best Rwanda no. The chance say Ghana bit my best Rwanda no. 0.000000001%. Di na make asa. Ye ko okronum ko twa video no. Ye ba no ye san ye chi ye ba no. E na ye hia nkwala na bi. E na ye say decide te dia ye be interview nkwala na bi. Na motie o manum asem. Na obi ankoka se ofa ya oboa. Nti ye ben nkwala na bi ye say no mbedi nkomo. Along the line we got a visitor. Inya nipa be mrantie bi be num bi confront ye. We thought to say they are coming to find out what we are doing and to also give us their opinion and also to let us know the situation in the town. Not knowing, say I don't know. So when the suma omu say some Kromo assemblyman fo, some MPP party fo, some NDC fo, I don't know. They insist we should delete everything, every coverage we've taken from the town. We should delete everything. And yes, I yebabuye yama yeko. Enti okodi baby free kono woko also me menfie o bedwan afa. It's not even safe. We have to delete everything. Now so lucky ne say ye ba fie no na ye de memory card ne be share machine ne say retract. Enti me ne enkwala ne interview ne ho no me lose omo voice. E ho ye nya omo voice no. Me camera na video no ene sound no enconnect ba ko sound no e baby na camera no baby. Enti mama mo hwenkwala ne video no. But then tell me kasa ne say o man we yan kasa Ghanaians na kasa kura no ye nya ready say ye be pe o man ne kanko because ade amiye MPP ni bie no o be pe masem da MPP ni NDC ni be pe masem ye o fire ya mo fire ye ho NDC ni be pe masem but MPP ni o pe masem da obeka se abranche wa jimi ana ade na pese o kire no an kwa ne wa ban ma ne man ko ya wuyi kira man fo e ba betete o kura pira enti sa metie sa ba na o kina bi MPP ko opposition na NDC ba ban mu a NDC so beka se omo so ne menya adwene omo so mpe de me ye no MPP so beka sa an yire ho koso ye dwuma pa. That is how it is. Na me pese mu hwe si na e kire se me ne nkwala ne di nkomo enkwala na me ne omu di nkomo no opie no no 16 years munti da make ani opie no no 16 years 13 years 14 15 13 14 15 13 14 15 enkwala ni enkwala na me no mudi nkomo opie no 15 years me ka sa ma kire opie no no 15 years enkwala e be tell you kire 那我这里啊，我哇，哎呀，哇，我比啊，我光说说我发看的耍，我听那我说我没得，我发看我光听把那我光说把，有你啊，我说我我本身你讲说我看我不白的，我看就是两个it's analytic from here. The law of Simon of Pakistan by 7 and by 6 to 6. Open the school by 8 years and 8. And I go up at night. I'll be school and break the great situation. So that I'm going to. Then you're going to come up. They will only think while I don't know. We lost their voice. We ran I'm another woman 18 million. So we deleted everything. And you buy the sabbath, ever provide ever
that we are introducing everything from almost 3 months. Imagine the pain they will go through before they get to that class. How are they going to voice class? This is the situation. Menen kwala ne kasa na ana ababa wa ba menen kwala ne kasa ana ababa wa ba begusa menen kwala ne kasa ana lady ba na eya biya lady no telephone ya someone through a coin na enya no international school almost international school no mo bus through coin na enya omo post school no mo ba fie a coin we aso and a pass no ebinya accident Hala no oja Gary Abuja ye video na nso to ba wonni ba bia na wagina unnya ba bia nyina me ni nkwala me ni ga wedi nkomo na nso to ba unnya ba bia na wagina tai se wugina nso ni na wutwa video na me ma gina nso atwa me video awie na kwabana nya to ache me se ya brante ho na soma mo ha mo fi media house ben pani ben na ma mo kwan wo delete videos no yes I am free kuro mo ha they have no choice than to delete everything delete kwa here ni say timi esa eba fie ba ebinya na use voice abusha girl we young girl at the age of only a year only 20 years ago or 15 years a point so ana obenya akwanhia na e affect me ama nani said otimi bia na na muhu no said nani ne tia wo hwa study nani no hwa nani ne yi said otimi bia nani na wo hwa said otimi ebia nani na wo nani no oban ni yatimi se nani no esei nani no pro nani no esei but financial problem sika mi fie yentimi fa no ko hospital papa ena mpanifo so enye ready say o ma we na kasa no na we mo me kasa na manu mu asem esi na me hu de menka ntire menka bi enti o ya so say pani bi wo man we mu a ono odwe o man no o ya so say pani bi wo man we mu a odwe o man Ghana ho we are sure say kwala we kwan e de omunam sui sa kwala we e fa o ya onya titi we am na se obenya as a public servant post bi ana obenya banjuma bi a o wi aban no. That is why corruption e cost was civil servant in bebrenti ase we pass through a lot protocols ahodo ene obenya banjuma kra no sika wo se wutuatua bribe na dia wo se wutuatua na wutua wi a unte oka aba no gina ho no nani essay e prusuo e keka no ko classroom kra ebi wa yise otena animu ben blackboard no isa wo hu ade wo ta se ntabuja me de me pese me beboa na se fund bi na mo betimi aboa support bi na betimi anya ma baba wa yi a be me yase mo nti na nu mo asem no bet abrepa mu no mesa akokuro nim mesa bo modern akokuro nim na makoni na di nkomo yie na manya na no asem ni yie na motie ni yie because areho nani sei nani essay e kwan no so no benya accident nani essay yemfa no ko hospital papa bia oni adu papa bia odi gu so at the age of 15 nani essay only 30 years na ani na du sen ye wo mahimu I quite remember obi na ka chem sofa abrochira say no nkwala ne ba school kura na na ye hwe omo monitor omo ebisa omo say problem ben na wokobu ofie do you have a problem in the house o ma no papa kwan ben no mo do nam so etieti akwala na no mu asem de wo say aban na intervene na aban na intervene de wo say papa no ye ma wo ya we na ma wa ya we I say no wokra wanya papa o said ye besa no mo kra no nti akwala we mesere mo mensada mensayem momwa na se beba modin asa akọ na me ne ono ankasa asa akodi nkomo ne na wofo no ma me no papa asa akodi nkomo biem because manya ni audio no e wose ka menya ni audio no ba menya ni audio no nti mesa akọ ne na kodi nkomo biem but mesere se emmo bia mo betimi aboa empo se hospital papa bi na mo betimi aboa ma yenya ja ba yakọ mo makọhwe nani na ma no na etimi enya glasses bia ma no na aboa na nani no esei enam ekwan wi antira nani no esei ba akofo nsa enso nyame ani kata mesere me koya madwuma wo ana mediko hia no but na asem ahore ho eya me fa ne se ka me na to me a nka me fa he enka bia ka Helen enka mankopie ono mo anka bia nka na ababa we ka nani ka bia woni 20 years no na wo hu ade enti mesere se nyame dwuma no we so ka nyame dwuma no ho enti wo beboa me number no na da ho no afa me number no wo so fa me pese ye boa ne hwede kwan de akwala ne befa so na ye hu de beye why enti me number na da ho 0554224092 ubetima boana yatima pakwala no after say kofa no fire hokra de ne besin ko hospital papa bia metu me wasi woni aye sa de na makwala no nani na timi aye ya mana timi de akọ school asua de already we school akọ hwe kon onam so ko school hwe situation na wom that is the country Ghana for you. That is the country that is 64 years. That is the country we call Gold Coast. Well, me no me ka sem tira mo say ene woni masema esi o Senegal ene mo de ko so Senegal sema de ko so Senegal on the Senegal 40 krum mo akwa bi nyuma ba se aboboba why aboboba why aboboba yenkotie wimra why yenkotie wimra
ten champion for ba mi hu nyansani bi ametuma ba man adentia e na me kasa sei amman no friends 4 years bi anoma be dada ye be ma mu schools adan nyuma ne ade de hia pa maburu ni hia pa ya nyuma enso mo ba mo dada maburu na mo fa mo na sabe senga Ghana ni be bia te se me kwadwa nka mo be boxing na nka maje akonwa no because nka me nka obi an mesiwa meto aba because obi anya kwase na waka acha me se gina ha twai me na me ba me gina asa ma de asa na o mai meaning ubu me se me yefu so me nka ya me nko ade a ka Ghana ni bia nto aba because obi an ho odwen ye ho Jaliji ye nyuma gu over 20 something years and anu no wawu agya yen ya hu mfasuo bia kofo ma ya sala so be ma ye nyuma ya hu hwe MPP ni andisi dia bullshit ohini bia anyi ni kuro ahemfo no mo Ghana ano bia anyi ni kuro no wonye na nka ne na ne ye di ahemfo dia so no na kuro we na etumpon na blofo no kuro asuro yen na seven players se jimio se baburo funo se kolan funo ye nim dia mo pa kire mama o man na tia gija na mabunu na eble enti babunu na omo bokro no na mumu omugum no mo esan somo eya bre because nka wosan ka mo na mo hwe nkola no na mo hwe nkola na man nkola nze so ma ye nkwasiafo enti san kwasiafo nkola ne da ne nkwasiafo na ese wo pani a otifie so ye kwasia bi because de odi akire osua de odi kan nantie te me de manu kasa besia Ghana mpanifo ndi omu nyina 7 players obi anwunu mabunu no te mo mabunu mo mani na ho na mpanifo no sebe omu ye nkwasiafo omu.
That's right. And I've been so. Can you hear? Who are the casa? 24/7. Can you see so? Hey, if you must show my pa, and your tifo man, and some kwankwa. Look at this. Over 700 million people still they have light. The legends. You shall allow. Sungafono, Sunfe Shabam, Rade, Sun Pras, General Mosquito Pras a Huru. Yadum light, no Huru do, Nan Tontum yo. Yasu, Shanipani o Cromo, Jinipo, Missy. So we train you for some demon, so I'm a Dana solidify. Can yes go there and survive. Because the new moment for more power must survive. We send them the winner. Look at this. A soon feel cool chabam. Legend. That's right. Richly. Adi. Jeff. Public toilet. AC baby. I watch BNC Katao. Coco BNC. Bidia Bianama. And Chinika Nama. Already. Just when you sound mind, invention ideas obia sheni fie na apartment already sheni body already jinipo yes just abobo ya na adwe se obey the goose no kwankro be fast obey the look at this lord already hade you futuro pa na wanya ba bia kwatra se bia wo fagin se bia wo plan no yes the chama wo grand tree
abusia ababa wa no obi bisa se den neto no ekwan a omonam suko school na akwanhia kosi wo kwan no so na man affect nani man nya eye problem na meni ni di nkomo na manya audio no na ma ntimo nte ne voice nti ababa wa no wo da hwe video ni yi fenani no fenani ni yi hwe video ni yi fenani no wo da monitor nani no fenani no otimi mbie nani ni fu che do otimi bie ne na na ohu owe nani ni nso otimi se wo be ne yi nkasa nani na nkasa ese at the age of 15-year-old girl nani ni sei nani ni sei ka no me ko nya accident o kwan no so Ghana insurance sem kwa de me pese me ko kura Ghana insurance bia ni hawo insurance sem ano ko school headmaster bia wu Ghana no your system nti se amanone na akwala no pass na problem of face challenge bia school mo penifo etimi fa no na true no na wanya support bi no da bi eti sa eti o ya akwala no gina ho na at the age of 15 years the ni ese many didn't come up voice na clear but we were forced to delete everything. That is why we lost the voice. I'm sure say messa corona menya yi na menya ko yi na mo what na I confirm with the best motias. That is the current state we are living in this country. I am a ya it is a person boa na at least kwala no yetimi sanko se me ko fa ne mbra krom na me interview no live na mo hwe because ho network ni ho nja se me ko fa ne fro de ne ba krom de ne ba kono e be interview no live na mo hwe ana se e bia age se me sa ko ho nom na the kotiki coverage aside the baba bomb mo hwe. That is the option we have. Say the be mo be hu se mo be tie na no mo asem, but to be honest with you mo nim se of me twa ntro me dada mo na ni no esei it's some beti maboa na say hospital bi kwa de ne beko anase bi eye glass bi no edu papa bi na ebenya say de be odi begu nani no so ama nani na tima ya because 15 years pe ana nani say true ekwan na enye no ekwan omonam suko school enie ekwan omonam suko school enie ekwan we ana omonam so eco school amutwa kwan we franopa edi besi ko school na omu free school mu pon nwumre so a oma sa twa kwan we edi akwakodu omu fie ba bi omu awurade nyankopon no ma se twa kwan we e da ba bedu omu fie ba bi omu te wote ase classroom kra omu hua de kra nkunya papa bi ani honum. That is the situation in their town now as I'm talking with you now. And you know abusha me de me maka kire mu se mafa to me won so se me wura akofa de ekoso abremu amamo hu de ekoso o man nim no chena bi obi gina baabi eye edwobodo obi gina baabi eye kokorodo na wo de wani ahwe ni yie na waka futu sem bi a kire no na o ma na hu se onu wonim de ekoso o man Ghana mu a Helen etadaro mo hu de ekoso Ghana enti maboa se me de mihia ne mo support abusha akontu sem ba faka dropping behind camera me ni me personal camera do person support na obo na metimi nya camera ne mic and so it's welcome me line me number na down support line na down no betimi afa person mo bo na me nya camera ne mic metimi de di djuma na fa me ko rent camera no ana me ko han na ja me de ba be di djuma na o se otuaka enti ya ma me ha wasise ma wada roman etimi ko fa video we de ba because ye di kan ko ye lusu bibia be say ye ana ya sa ko bi ma ha wasise wada roman ana etimi sa ko bi enya video nyina abusha me nche kasa ho no mesre some mobile support aboa na dwumadi yetimi akọ chirichiri because northern region eastern region central region enya ma ekoso around no enya papa nti no e wo se yetimi kofa ban so de na ebe hia se collectively mobile boa support of fire na yetimi edi dwuma no ni yem nti me number no da ho no obetimi afa na wa support abuja me nkasa nche o pese o ba line no so na so befre ebe fire me bacho number no na me de to ho no frɛ number no na bra na so be kire wadwen why me bacho WhatsApp ana direct call obetimi afre na onso aba be kire wadwene e wo dwumadi no so oi yekoso Ghana na me bi kire no Ghana at 64 yekoso no.
You know, a lot of people wonder how Dubai became a very big, famous and rich city.
You see, if you're comparing with Nigeria, listen to this. Nigeria has oil before than Dubai. It's a history. They are more rich than us. They have agriculture, they have mining, they have everything, you name it, they have it. Am I right or wrong? When you have a true leadership, which we have nothing, but we have everything because we have the right leadership. That's the only thing you need, a right leader for your country, not corruption. That's what brings your country at the top. You don't need anything. We want water, we don't have agriculture, we don't have mining.
That's quite interesting.
And that's Sheikh Mohammed. Number one, he doesn't know number two, he needs only number one. He says, I don't know, there's no number two in my book. Only number one.
I hear he doesn't ride in a convoy. Is that true?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Mama.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, mama.
Nyankopon shirawo.
Medase.
Mindi asam kese bia nka. Na ne mehu ni se Ghana fo mpanifo, Ghana kuro ni nyina no na Accra.
Accra ni Kumasi.
Chese womo a womo gugu nchenchen de womo nka kuro no ho. Womo nka ma no ho kura. Womo de nia ehia womo se Accra no na womo ti ho. Sani na wo ka se womo fu ka, womo fu play. Enti nkofo aka ni de yende mbra yenye nipa. Yeda ase bebre. Ni awo yeda ase bebre ni nipa so obo aye ma kodu krom ho. Twa baba wo ye anani ese no. Ayo wa ka me papa o. Ayo wa ka me.
We o abroche no nkowa ma abroche no nkowa nka ebe hia se na wofo e na mfa sika mbla na enkohwe no e ma ne ho nto no.
Debi na sanka ka no nya instant no ye be ye na yi ye be man insurance ye be na dro.
Ghana no wo awu Ghana wo awu kwa
ye be ye no operation ahwe na ha de Ghana de ye ka insurance bia ni ho.
Dabi.
Eno anu no nti wo mu bu ye se ye nwura de se ka bia tumi fa so. Obi kura tumi tu nsuo gu so. Hwe bia se wo koya wo mo se ziriti ade a wa bai obi asma. So wo mo yankasa ye ka ho na ma no enko nanim.
Bokomna no ofa bi ye assemblyman na no ofa bi ye ohene. Wo betwa asem na kwakoto gya no on penti na ne wani leti ai babo. We
so wo nya bidi. Onwere ni a omo aka ho.
Wo ya to asase ama.
Enti sa na wo mo ye Ghana no. Sa na wo mo ye Ghana no. Enti ye da ase bebre Nyankopon hira ni a wo mo ye nyina. Ya me ma wo kwatete na me ka to susu se e ya hwe ho ye.
Medase. Mate.
Ya hwe ho ye papa.
Mate. Medase pa.
Ya wo ye no eye ba wo susu wo nkwa no ehia. Enti me da ase bebre mama nipa foforo so aba na wo so abekire na adwen. Medase.
Abusia, that is the country we living in. Ghana no ena ye ma mekan no empanifo no ase Ghana no say Accra ne Kumasi pe. Nti we na bedi so a ope ba bia nipadom gu na wa ye ho yie na wanya vote afiri ho de awini na mom de aka ne de apu yade that's the country we live. Na sa na just mind. But a true election there the aka no ho ballot box ebeko ho ballot papers ebeko ho ye hu nyansa kai hu so omo okurumuti nti yankonko form nso power emra emfa meka ho emom ye wini wie a se ye be hu nyansa ka se omo nso kokurumuti no omo didi omo namfom omo ko school omo ogade nyakopon ye mama fa we wa Director. Hello.
Good afternoon, Rafael.
Afternoon, master. Patrol didn't be free.
Me the friends me free tema.
Who free tema?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Who's a 40?
medical was in a Duma or Tam de Ato Hoseja, obey Yama Gana, and so Etumpon.
Yeah.
Now, Mamma from Unso, a brown penny for no more, my meeting, or Bob or Mano.
Yeah.
Oh, boy, my pa, I mean, no count.
That's it.
A Becca creating idea, whom by Jim. As you see, no man, dear, Obia, and you see, send your Udi Kaka, Obia, and you see what mine move.
Deputy.
Oh, man, is here, oh, yeah, who civilian or crowd, yeah, found every.
You are a slave to your own leader.
Yes. Oh, free and Kobe Pia. And Kobe Pia.
Okay, Minister Bibananka, Unasident and Nenisa, can him sky best I try to have Makalam.
Oh, nothing about no my.
That's a minister senior piece Nankasa, you know, Yama, no Mako, Butchery, Edintra.
Oh, many hours. Nayam, we have before me, we have problem. I feel I had 12 and Jabania to the ending. Ah! Then to a banner, yet to the ending. Obaka Quitinaria, my rebel boss, I need people who to at the end of the day we not free. Huh? And I say, boy, you might be a boy, you might be a crying an idea who by Jim.
Mr. Medasi, what's that?
Yeah,
if I told you to be free.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, doctor. Oh, okay. Medasi, so about my platform, so I was afraid to you.
I never program no man, and Simon was a time so far. My Facebook me, and I'm saying, I never.
Ah, your live crown about program is you. Your live about program. Okay,
more love. I made my.
Ah, okay. Hell on Earth. Just open Facebook. I just search Hell on Earth. Baba. That's it. Abusia. I am say, you didn't come on, no be by the neighbor room. Why? Obeti me so afre. Why? So person so free baso, obeti ma free baso. Na mo the person me chire say, country we and penny for no. Abro any bayi no mo man. We should be ashamed of ourselves, standing publicly, trying to let the world know say we are celebrating 64 years of independence. What meaningful independence are we celebrating? What's meaningful about this independence? Ghana hana ye wono. Omaya the whole Krobako and the whole Asante Achem Central ambulance here one constituency, one ambulance. Huh? And so ba Asante Achem ase nkwa MPs dodo omo ha obia V8, obia DS gasha 6 billion. Mo modam. No sir. Me ba be ka ma dwan chiro mo ntasi go to court. Why? O freba line no so amefa. Why?
Ghana ba kope Adeshimai Ghana ba kope ye wobi wo baby ana debio Ghana ba kope
Omine Ghana Bakun is here, uniting all Ghanaians, both home and abroad, for a better Ghana. In unity, we can create opportunities for our youth to be fulfilled right at home. In unity, we can change the story for the next generation to have a better Ghana. In unity, we can all build our motherland together. It's time to act now and donate to a good cause. We appeal and ask all of our supporters to contribute a monthly commitment of a minimum unit currency. Statistics show that we have about 30 million Ghanaians living in Ghana and about 5 million Ghanaians living abroad. Do you know what we could accomplish together as Ghanaians if 5 million of us subscribe to this laudable idea? Just imagine. So what are you waiting for? It's time to stop the talking, the complaints, and act. Please register with us, donate, and volunteer at omineghanabakun1.org. Together, we will make Ghana a better place. OGB, doing a new thing. OGB, saving the next generation.
This is Boya Baosako KG Department, and it is located in the Upper East Region in Boyko West District. The people here, as you can all see, are sitting on the floor. Some are sitting on the floor, some are also sitting on a mat. But because the mats are not enough, That's why you can see them on the floor. These kids need a nice classroom and tables and chairs so that they can sit and learn effectively. As you can see, they are under a tree, and when it rains, they have to go and perch somewhere, and after the rains, they come back and sit on this wet ground. Please, we need help. This is the basic 1 class. As we can see, these neatly dressed children are lying on the floor to write whatever they need to write. When they come to school, they have to sleep here and write. They need writing desks so that they can sit comfortably and write. Our future leaders are in trouble. They need help. This is the class 2 class, and the story is no different as we saw in class 1. The students also sleep on the floor. As you can see here, there are some desks here which were donated by the MP of this town, but it wasn't enough. So the kids here don't have enough desks to sit on and learn. This is class 3. We can see that the learners are ready to learn. They are in school, and this morning they are neatly dressed, but because there are no chairs, they have to sit on the floor and learn, which is not encouraging. This challenge is not helping students or pupils to learn effectively. So we need help in Buea Kpaosarko Basic, Buea Kpaosarko Junior High. This building was built as a temporary structure for the pupils of the GHS. This was to keep pupils, but now it has turned to a death trap. Because this building has kept long, it has developed cracks, which is now a death trap. Anything can happen. So please, we need help. Now this has become a death trap. It's no longer a classroom. As we can see, there are cracks all over. This can fall anytime soon. And this is posing danger to both teachers and students. It's a temporary structure that was built by the community as they wait for the government project to be completed. And now, a death trap. This is the supposed classroom block for the GHS department, but due to reasons unknown, it was not completed way back in 2016. The reasons are unknown, so we are calling on NGOs, stakeholders, governmental organizations, and individuals to come to our aid so that this building will be completed and the students of Buea Kpaosarko GHS will enjoy a class finished once in a lifetime. Please, we need your help.
Yeah, Madam Asik. Sabi bia na me ba live mojebre na mo ne me din komo. Madam Asik, anenso aha na edi dwuma die ne besi. Maka kire mo se tirenti ye nyanja e cheso a ye be koso ne edi dwuma abre na bibia no. Ye koso akomiamia ya kofa video e de abre mo. Na ya kofa de koso e wo miamia amanfo nsuo ho asem, amanfo akwan ho asem, amanfo sukusem ho asem. E ba kofa ni nyina de abre Hell on Earth. Amenkwa mintimi enkwa ma ho ntimi mesere ya na ma support e wo bando sem ene financially transportation up and down na moboa ntimi number no ne da ho no 0554224092 support bi a wo dem of fire bi a no wo pese wo boa ma enya camera ene mic a eni beje e beboa ntimi madam ose wiei aha na me dem besi anwumre odoma koma de che na say endum light a e pese so ba live madam nyina ase ma me penifo amo ha Amembodi kakra. Tommy Peps, Mamusa Waha. How was he? Was a crocodile? Oh, yes. Ubu Cabanane. Nata, dear be a channel. No, dear chili, a dog. Crocodile, a dog. Crocodile. Now, we are not Kotobi, I need to see the new dinner. We okay. That is the living legends in the country we live in. How was he say? Thank you very much, ma. Emmanuel Okpoja. Thank you very much, bro, for your message. Let us unite and change, we the individual. Black Lion Nian Kradata Monso, thank you very much. Kojonel, thank you very much. Kwame Amo, thank you. Daniel Amache Sam Edu, I say people need to demand development for their vote. Thank you, Director. Daniel Amache Sam Edu, I say. If the people don't rise up and demand what is right for them, trust me, the leaders will not do what is due to them. That is why on the Senegal for Senegal for any break. Nigeria also multi mountain. And go for more. The only language they understand is revolution and demonstration. Ghana and African leaders, the only language they understand is revolution and demonstration. And gradually, we will get there. I see you, Director. Thank you very much for joining me. Mausa Bushan for Abuja, Medasi, Medibesia. Mbato person back Hell on Earth family WhatsApp group no. Just send me message or WhatsApp number 9 down. Offer add me to Hell on Earth WhatsApp platform. Me do back home. Why? And I message your YouTube channel and also own subscribe ya. Bomodiana subscribe my Hell on Earth TV or YouTube. So unya and subscribe ya. Bomodiana. Na kwa subscribe ema yesebe ya abibia the video bia tumu a ede tumu ana onsaka moso mfa mo ne medi djuma e frame of fire channel no Hell on Earth madam wase se mo jebre na mo ne medi djuma awie anopai anwume biara wo bia ne tem bia hwa me bia madam wase anwume nso ye besan so ahia aha ana mede mo besi makra mo nyina bye bye.
It's a question, no jokes. And it's a Tinyami Obobroni, one Bobini. Yes. Always be I got me thinking. Cause a Bronia Timia Fan and Anama Yamonkwa. Muja for Kagu, still I'm a crosso. Or in the name of some you show more senses. What are we doing, blacks? Yeah, apply more senses. You're waking up, common sense, there's the time. So many times I wonder, no one in the who I am for. Eh, Shabran and Crabia, I didn't want to me bisa. Me pese me who sampa. Jana no mo yenkwa. Se go musadi go be check one bunny. I will not swak it here. Their life is hell with white man. CSF you grab fast. But the suma se sanya mamere watch ye nyamena go fire good. But now we are no slaves. No. They are mental slavery. They be wait so many years till now. Africa is still developing. Yeah. But the few of us that worshiping Yankopon. Pisoni mere. Nyaka or the year juma. Sesi ni man no jack rabashe. Ya da fia bo for the culture who here na dey here na to mental slavery to me can and be no time to go to me. Spending more time at church. I swear these days your best. Just sit back, don't be offended by last night research. Here churches of today, 90% your business. As a no sum your beyond, yana yasuma safu way useless. Makoto holy water 100, anointing while you 50. Still I made a should come, me kwakaya si men Kenya me beye. Me na de ne kwan su si Kenya ko so see. Next year, second baby, up to date. I quite remember that time upon me feast and me tifie. Your mommy never be that or say one and two baby. We are too religious. Entini ye bray. Empia ya to abama, but my kwanya was seeing ya me betray. Yamini ya to abani man, and I won ya tomorrow. Brony says in mind for 100 years to come, baby, need trying to muda. Just to get to use. It's time to stand for the truth. Yeah, I price and system to the children and dear boy, bra. When I wake up in the morning, I give thanks to my creator. After that, the American in now, I am a sicker. It's who make a mum. Nation, ye dear one. And you, my dear, no credit woman, couldn't never what 10. Trust my God for that Chris, what if I lighted this issue. Just when the hostel was in our church, via your buffy of the soon. Once is happy heaven, but Bomo got the sphere to me. Jana move up to say I'm some part, and when you get to suit me, there be the big gun of Bejier, see a fan and anum roots. Or people so in a Yaman and Cantam one and anum team. Make it in Ucradia Baba, corruption, a see a bit wire. One ink to get your was way my moon, Nina a 2 better, Mr. Menti and a tra. Just stick to the message. My shame opinion to Santia, fatcha me. I hope so boom for me. Ghana ye din ye pe. So fan na me so fan Ghana bear club she. Liquidation. Don't be offended.
Yes.
Peace. CSF for life.
Real. Liquidation.
Namariko production. That's right. And I've been so. Can you hear? Who are because I 24/7. Can you see so? Hey, if you must show my pa and your tifo man and some kwankwa. Look at this. Over 700 million people still they have light. The legends. You shall allow. Soon go for no, soon say shabam. Ready? Soon pras General Mosquito pras a huru. You do light, no huru do, then tontum yo. Yes, Shanipa ni okromo, Jinipo. Missy, so we train you for some demo. So one ma a jana and solid fire. Then yes, you go there and survive. Because the new moment for more power must survive. We send them the winner. Look at this. A soon feel cool chapa. Legend.